Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Driven Dailies here. Hope you guys are all doing well. So, repping this shirt today. Remember, guys, in the merch link, it goes out to charity. You guys can't be that cold-hearted to not give the kids their cancer. Please help support this channel and help also give this towards charity, guys. So, we're also going to take the Z out today. It's been cold. It's been sitting for about 2 days straight. We got to take a drive for that, so let's see how that goes. And here she is, guys, looking fly. Oh, look at that little cat. Oh, you're so cute. Looking fly, guys. We gotta give her a drive, guys. Make sure you guys hit that follow and subscribe and help support the channel. Alright, guys, cold starting. Alright, guys, I'm just taking it for a little drive, see what's happening, because out of nowhere, my gas tank has started. It just dropped dramatically. It went from like 54 miles and it's like set down to like 13 miles. And I had to call my cousin and hook me up with some cash and stuff, so I gotta go check it out and see how my gas gauge is really doing. So we gotta go take a drive. Alrighty, guys, and this is to all the new subscribers that are out there. If you guys do not know me, my name is Mike Schreiber, the creator of Driven Dailies. I hope you guys are all doing well. And to everybody who's watching my videos, I appreciate that a lot. Just remember, we got the longer videos. They're epic, guys. It shows a full behind the scenes of what I'm doing instead of the short stories that are like 30 seconds long. I mean, there's some pretty good videos in there, guys, like really. So make sure you guys go check them out. It's pretty epic. So she's gonna need more than Ultima power to be this. Wheels are cold. The car really got out there sideways. I was like, oh yeah. So I wonder if we do got a gas leak. I hope not. I hope not. After I heard all the rocks going under there, I mean, it shouldn't. I mean, I had someone check the car out when I gave it some gas. Nothing was pouring out of there. Little PoV, guys. Left hand driving, trying to shift it. Still at 74, so nothing's too serious. Let's try to 12.7 miles to the gallon. Jesus. Winter, you're trying to kill my car. Or fall. Thing is, all I'm gonna say, for some of the hardcore subscribers, mostly, I think I got some new merch coming in. Broken Glass limited edition shirt, guys. Like, it's an awesome shirt. So I'm gonna say it does go out for charity. Some will go, but I'm gonna give out some free merch to some of you guys. It's gonna be pretty epic. It's like someone comes flying around me. I like to see it. Going too slow. Slow with you, man. How about that speed, Prius fucker? Bet your 40 to 80 can't go that quick. Woo! Little exhaust leak. Disgusting. Take the car for a little drive, give it a little warm up and stuff, just so I can get some heat in the engine. But there's more to come, guys. Today was a really boring day, give it or not. But at least I got out and drove around a little bit and hammered on a little bit. But make sure you guys leave a follow, like, subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Driven Dailies out. Peace. What's up, guys? Welcome to the outro squad. So definitely smash the subscribe button. And make sure you definitely hit that notifications bell. And also, make sure you guys check on for the latest videos, and also check all the links in the bio for my merch. And you guys get to see my lovely face every time.